We couldn't help but notice that you were just a little bit frightened, so we thought we'd drop in and help.
Yeah, fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people, for unto you...
Have you seen Larry? Oh, look, Lovey, it's the skipper.
Oh, I didn't know tomatoes grew on trees.
Hey guys, look at this. Well, I got a little bit hungry, so I was just snacking on the sun table.
Sing the song.
They ain't singing, boss.
Sing!
Think of me every day.
Yeah, me too. Get me something too.
You know, sometimes I think I could eat a whole camel.
Oh yeah? Well, sometimes I think I could eat a whole spaceship.
What's a spaceship?
Okay, everybody who's got hands, start tying.
You're making me hungry.
That's it. You're walking the plank.
Says who?
Says the cabin. That's you.
Oh, yeah? Aye, aye, Captain Crunch.
Oh, I just remembered. I was supposed to wash my, I have to take out the, I gotta go.
Behold our creation! The Walminator 3000!
How are we clapping?
I have no idea.
Oh, that was beautiful!
Hold me, Bob.
I would if I could, man.
I want my money back.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Not yet, but it's extraordinary. It's like no plant I've ever seen. It doesn't photosynthesize.
Why do we care if it takes pictures?